Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back on this Monday. It's gray and rainy. We're dealing with overland flooding issues. Some severe thunderstorms rolled through this morning and last night. It's going to be a busy day. Here's a look in on our Grand Forks Home of Economy Skycam. Currently raining in the northern valley. You can see some of those raindrops on the lens. Not a lot of wind yet, but expect that to change through the afternoon hours. We're drying up now in the southern valley. You can see those showers and some garden variety thunderstorms of the non-severe variety lifting up into northern Minnesota. The dots that you see with the yellows and oranges, that's where we're seeing some pockets of heavier rain, but this whole line of storms is cruising pretty fast to the north. We had a severe thunderstorm warning earlier that was booking it to the north at 70 miles per hour. So the good news is these storms will be lifting out fairly quickly, but there's a lot of moisture within them, and we've seen some heavy rainfall amounts just so far today, and still quite a bit of rain out in central North Dakota. Down to the south, though, we're continuing to see some fairly dry conditions. We will be watching a boundary for the potential to spark off some strong to severe storms, and there was an update just at the top of the hour from the Storm Prediction Center. This whole area of dark green and yellow has now shifted to the east, which is good news for folks across the valley. That chance for severe weather later today is diminishing. It's still not zero. You can see this area in dark green that clips parts of Beltrami and Lake of the Woods County. So Baudette, you might see some severe weather later today with wind and hail being the primary threat. But overall, the greatest chance for severe weather is now out into central and eastern Minnesota. We will be dealing with wind later. All the areas shaded in brown, which encompasses the majority of our region, under a wind advisory until 10 o'clock this evening. It will be starting here shortly at 1 in the afternoon for wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour, not necessarily associated with any thunderstorms. So we might see isolated higher wind gusts within some thunderstorms that develop. So here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Can't rule out just a few more sprinkles down in the southern valley through the afternoon, but overall, we're going to be watching in northern Minnesota as storms try to fire right along a boundary that will be moving through. Gives the atmosphere enough spark for a storm to go up and develop. So we're watching right here for those isolated storms to develop to bring large hail and damaging wind gusts. There goes that line. This is by 5 o'clock this evening. So right at drive time, if you're in this area, I want to watch for this line of thunderstorms. Meanwhile, out towards Devil's Lake and points off to the west, still dealing with some rain, potentially heavy. Not expecting severe weather, but a few rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out. Temperatures primarily in the 50s and 60s. And look at that wind out of the southwest and west-southwest through the afternoon. It's going to be a windy one, so tie down the lawn furniture if you have already put it out for the season. Later tonight, skies will be clearing and we get a quieter day for Tuesday. But here's what we're looking at for additional rainfall for your Monday. Areas shaded in green, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, isolated higher amounts that you see there in yellow, between 1 inch and 2 inches. Right now in Fargo, we are seeing fairly dry conditions, 53. It is indicating some rain showers still up at Hector International Airport. Wind is out of the east-southeast at 10 miles per hour. In Grand Forks, we've got those rain showers, 53 right now, east-southeasterly wind at 10 miles per hour. And temperatures this afternoon, it's going to be fairly gray and cloudy and windy, but 50s and 60s will be the forecast for temperatures. And we're not done with rain yet. We have near daily chances for rain or thunderstorms, except for tomorrow. We have another first alert weather day for Thursday. Strong to severe storm chance. We see it now, so we're giving you that heads up. Called that first alert weather day yesterday for Thursday. But tomorrow, near 70. More sunshine. And then we start to warm things up and we turn humid, hot and humid Thursday. That's going to provide some energy in our atmosphere for those strong and severe thunderstorms. And then Jordan, behind that, we continue with shower chances, but look at those temperatures. We go from the 80s to the 50s. Like we saw a trooper on interstate.
Yeah, we just skipped right over spring, I feel. We went from winter and then it seemed like summer severe weather was here.
Yep, got the lightning bolt earrings right on track too. We go from the snowflakes to the lightning bolts.
All right, that's the transition around here. Summer, thank you.